This is a quick video just to show you how to turn your place into an entire place. If you've accidentally listed your listing as a private room, a lot of people on Airbnb are going to think that they're renting a private room in a shared house or a shared apartment. So a lot of people accidentally mark it as that. So I'm going to teach you how to change it. Also, if you're working with an Airbnb ambassador, we're only allowed to edit your listing if it is an entire place. So you might be watching this video because of that as well. So what you're going to want to do is go to airbnb.com/hosting/listings. That is listings with an S. Now, because I'm in Canada, mine says .ca. If you were in Australia, it would say .com.au, so it could be a little bit different depending on what country you're in, but regardless, it will always be /hosting/listings. Make sure you're logged into Airbnb first before you go to that link, and you'll go to a page where you can see all of your listings. So go ahead and click on your listing. You're going to click on the writing of your listing. It's kind of confusing because there's 3 places to click, so do not click the square, do not click the list, click the writing of your listing. Okay, then what you're going to do, by default, you'll be on the listing details of your listing. Just scroll down until you see property and rooms, property type. Once you see property type, this is what we want to change. You're going to click the edit button. It's really easy to make a mistake and click this little edit button by mistake. With the arrow, it's the edit one here without the arrow. Okay? That'll bring down some more options. And then what you're going to want to select is apartment here, condominium, and entire place. Okay? So once you make your changes, don't forget to click the save button. Okay? Go ahead and save it. Once you change your listing to entire place, if you are working with an Airbnb ambassador, we'll be able to send you an edit request and finish your listing for you. Thank you and have a great day.